Now we can see a documentation worksheet here. So firstly we have to make sure the full name appears correctly in the basic cell. If not, you must re-download the original file again. Okay, now we can start with our instructions from the step 1 detailing. So we have to move to the sessions sheet. And our step 1 is to click on cell E2 and select wrap text. This makes the long text fit neatly inside the cell. And our second step is to enter the instructor names and dates in cells B8 through C11. Now here I am typing all the names of the instructors and the dates. And done with the instructor names. Now going to the dates. And done with the dates also. And next our step 3 is to autofit columns B and C. Now here I select both the columns B and C, then double click the right border to autofit them. So it can adjust the columns. And here I am now selecting the column B and C, double click them so it auto fits. Done with the step 3, coming to the step 4, flash fill session codes. So in the first we have to select the E6, type the first session code ADO120 and then select the entire range E6 through E11 and go to the data tab and click on flash fill, which automatically generates all the remaining session codes based on the first example. So now we got all the session codes. And our step 5 is to hide column F. We are right clicking and then choosing hide to keep confidential information hidden. And done with the sessions. Moving to the vendor sheet. Now here our step 6 is to rearrange the order of the worksheets. Here now we need vendor's worksheet after the requirements worksheet. So here we have to drag the vendor's sheet and place after the requirements sheet. So firstly we have to select or double tap on the vendor's worksheet and drag after the vendor's sheet. Yes, now we are done with the step 6. And now moving to the requirements sheet. We have to move to the requirements sheet. Click on B5 cell and change the text to PDH. Done with this. And our 8, coming to the step 8, we have to move the entire data block to the D5. So first we have to select D12 to E16 and cut it using Ctrl X and then click on cell D5 and paste it using Ctrl V. This moves the data higher to match the exact layout. After pasting it, we are done with the step 8. So next, coming to the step 9, we have to adjust the column width. Right click on column D, choose the column width and set the width to 28. This ensures all the text fits inside the cell. And coming to the step 10, we have to select E6 cell and type using a count function. This counts the number of states with PDH requirements from B6 to B55. And here we got 42. Next, coming to the step 11, we have to adjust the zoom level in the bottom right corner of Excel and set it up to 120% to match the sessions sheet. Yes, and done with the 11th step. And the 12th step is to set the page orientation. Under the page layout tab, I can change the orientation to portrait to make printing more efficient. The last step is to create attendance worksheet. I click the plus icon to insert a new worksheet and rename it as attendance. Yes, now I have renamed it as the attendance. So here we have created a new worksheet in the name of attendance. And now we have dragged in after the vendor's sheet by clicking on it and dragging it. And finally, let us check how each and every section looks after completing all the given instructions. Firstly, the documentation worksheet, where we have to check the first and last name correctly given or not. And next, going to the sessions section. Here, check all the instructor names and date given. And also the session, we have to fill the proper session codes by using the flash fill function. And next, requirements. Yes, everything is correct. And we have moved the summary section to the top. And next, the vendors. And finally, we have created an attendance sheet and moved to the last. Yes, and we are done with this task. Thank you.